Hey everyone, Malachi from Frase here. Today, we're going to talk about how to use the Frase Chrome extension. With the Chrome extension, you can utilize AI editing capabilities on sites across the web. For example, within this Gmail window. First, highlight the text you'd like to work on, and then click the phrase bubble that pops up. You'll first see the option to prompt the tool with exactly what you'd like to see. Below that, there are multiple one-click options such as Improve Writing, which rewrites the text for clarity, Make Shorter, which condenses the text, and Make Longer, to elaborate on your ideas using AI-generated content. In addition, the Change Tone option allows you to rewrite the content in a different tone, while the Transform option uses the highlighted text to create a specific type of content. Let's go ahead and use the Make Shorter option. When you process it, you'll see three buttons. The Retry button to have it generate something new, the Copy Text button to copy it to your clipboard, and the check mark to go ahead and replace the highlighted text. We'll go ahead and do that here. Now that you've seen this, you're ready to start using the Frase Chrome extension across all your sites.